Hello friends, welcome. In this video I'm going to create the controller, the road, and I'm going to add the links here. So skills and the project links. Okay, first let's go to the iterm, and here I'm going to say artisan make controller, and I'm going to name it skill controller and dash R for resource. Okay, let's create also the project controller. Okay, now let's go in the VS Code. Inside the app, HTTP controllers, we have skill controller and the project controller. Very good. For now, let's go in first in the roads, web road, and here we have this road get. So when we go to the home, we see this, the Laravel by default Laravel welcome page. And in the road, we have road get, and here we can see we have this return, inertia, render, welcome. Now this welcome is inside the resources, JS, pages, the welcome page, this welcome page. So if I come here, and this is the Vue.js component, so just select all inside here. I'm going to remove and I'm going to save it. And also we need to run the npm run dev. Okay, close this one and let's refresh. And we have a blank page because I have removed everything. We have the title welcome. As you can see, if I change this to welcome, so portfolio like this, we have welcome to portfolio. So this is the page it's going to render when we go to the, when we navigate to the slash homepage. And this is what the inertia does. We just, instead of returning the view which is inside here, is going to render the component, and also is going to add, so for example, the can login as a probe, and we add what we want here. Okay, so we are going to work with the roads, and you can understand a little bit. As I said, better you can go and routing here and read the documentation. So here we have also the road inertia, and Inertiajs is not only for Laravel, also for Rails, as you can see. Here is using the controller. Okay, and we are going to use link for not the anchor tag, but the link as an anchor tag. Anyway, so I'm going to show you. Just let's go here, and I'm going to, let's remove this one. I'm going to create a group here, so I'm going to say road. I'm going to add the middleware, which is going to be the auth and the verified, what we had, auth, and also the verified. And let's add a group, and the group now accept the callback function. So let's add function here. And now I'm going to add that route we had for the dashboard. So let's say road, and when we go to the slash, so we need to add here, when we go to the dashboard, I'm going to add a closure function and return inertia, and we have the use inertia here. So inertia render, and what is going to render? The dashboard view. So inside the pages, we don't need to add pages here, because if I go to the app.js, and here is the logic for the inertia. So here we have the create app imported and also the h from view. And we have the title. So what I show you here, this head title. Let's go again to the app.js. We have the title and we have this resolve, the name. So resolve page component, and we have the pages. So you can see the pages, and after the pages, the name and dot view. So we don't need to add also the dot view here. We need to add only the page we want to display here. So in our case, the dashboard, which is inside the pages, and we just say here in quotes, the name of the page, which is dashboard, and not dot view, just like this. Okay. Now let's give it the name to be dashboard, like this. Okay, and now if I go back and let's navigate to the dashboard, everything works correctly. Okay, now let's create the roads for the skills and the projects. We created the controllers. Now let's say road resource, the same we have in the Laravel with Blade, add slash skills, and we are going to use the skill controller to handle this road. So skill controller class. The same thing for the projects. Let's say road resource slash projects, and we are going to use the project controller to handle this. So class, and we are okay. Now, for now, if I go to the skill controller and in the index, I'm going just to return the string here. So return the, here in the skill, I'm going to say just skill for now. Save, and let's go also to the project controller, and in the index method, return project. Just to show you for the link, because I want to add links here. Now here, if I go inside the resources, JS, inside the pages, we have this dashboard, which is this one. And as you can see here, we have import, and this is coming with Breeze. So we have this import Breeze authenticated layout from layouts, and we have this add symbol here, add slash layouts slash authenticated. So here we have layouts, and authenticated we have here. And we have the navigation links, we have the logo and the navigation links. And here we have the Breeze nav link. We add the shref, the road here. And with Inertia, we can use a road, because Inertia use this Ziggy package, and with that, we can use roads here. And here we have the dashboard, which is this one. Let's copy this and add here one more. And I'm going to add skills here and the projects here. Now the road for the skills is skills.index. Okay, and if you don't know, you can go to the terminal and let's clear this up. and let's say artisan road list, and here we have road for the get skills. The name is skills.index, and the controller is skill controller at index the method. And the same for the projects. So when we get all projects, the name is projects.index and the controller, project controller at index. Okay, so let's just copy this. Copy this and paste it here. And now inside here we need to say projects.index and the same thing if this is active or not. So if I save, as I said, let's go now to the browser and we have here the skills and the project, everything is okay. Now if I click here, it's going to return, we expect to return what we added to the controller. So in the project controller, we just return the projects, and in the skill, we just return skill. So let's click, and as you can see, we have this skill here. And if I click here, we have project. So the link is working. Now let's get and work with what we are going to display when we go and click here, not just the string. So see you in the next video.